In the realm of financial transformation, there exists a powerful tool that often goes overlooked, and that is positive affirmations. These simple yet profound have the potential to reshape our relationship with money and lead us towards abundance. In this series, we will explore how affirmations can lead each of us to our own financial abundance. We will delve into the psychology behind this transformation, uncovering the mindset shift needed to attract prosperity. Through studies and stories, we'll illustrate the profound impact affirmations can have on our financial decisions and how they can open the doors to a world of opportunities. First, one must understand the profound impact that mindset holds in this endeavor. It's not merely about accumulating wealth, it's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, a way of thinking that attracts prosperity into our lives. Studies in psychology have delved into this phenomenon, revealing that our thoughts and beliefs have a tangible effect on our actions and outcomes. The concept of the abundance mindset suggests that when we believe in the potential for growth and opportunity, we are more likely to seek and create those very circumstances. Consider a study conducted at a leading university, where participants were divided into two groups. One was exposed to positive affirmations related to abundance, while the other received no specific intervention. Over a period of months, the first group exhibited a noticeable increase in their financial confidence and a greater willingness to take calculated risks. This demonstrates that the mind is a powerful instrument in the pursuit of financial prosperity. When we consciously shift our thoughts from scarcity to abundance, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. It's not about denying current circumstances, but rather about recognizing the potential for positive change. Psychology of abundance is a motivation for transformation. It allows us to view setbacks as temporary, challenges as opportunities, and limitations as invitations to think creatively. By embracing this mindset, we become active participants in shaping our financial destiny. But how do we go about adopting this mindset of abundance? It begins with positive affirmations. These statements act as anchors for our thoughts, reminding us of our inherent potential for growth and success. They serve as a daily reminder that abundance is not a distant goal, but a present reality waiting to be recognized. As we progress through this series, we will delve deeper into the affirmations that align with a wealth mindset. We will uncover the specific statements that have the power to reprogram our thoughts and beliefs, making the way for a future filled with financial abundance. Number 1. Affirmations for financial mindset shift. Affirmations are the cornerstone of this transformation. They are the words that carry the power to reshape our beliefs and ultimately, our financial reality. Consider these affirmations as seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With care and consistency, they will grow and flourish, guiding you towards a wealth-conscious mindset. Here are a few examples to get you started. First, I am deserving of financial abundance. This affirmation reminds you that prosperity is not an exclusive club, but a birthright for all. Second, I am a magnet for financial opportunities. By affirming your attraction to opportunities, you invite them into your life with open arms. These affirmations, when repeated with intention and belief, begin to penetrate the layers of limiting beliefs that may have held you back. They were placed out with confidence, fear with courage, and scarcity with abundance. Furthermore, affirmations serve as a compass guiding your financial decisions. When faced with choices, let these affirmations be the guiding light, reminding you of your commitment to abundance. They act as a touchstone, grounding you in your wealth-conscious mindset. Number 2. Attracting opportunities and wealth. As we delve deeper into the world of affirmations, it becomes evident that they possess a magnetic quality. They have the extraordinary ability to draw in opportunities and wealth, creating a ripple effect of positive change in our financial lives. When we vibrate at a frequency of abundance and openness, we align ourselves with the flow of prosperity in the universe. Affirmations harmonize our energy with the abundant possibilities that surround us. Moreover, as we cultivate this mindset of abundance, we become more attuned to recognizing opportunities that may have previously gone unnoticed. We develop a sense of discernment, enabling us to seize moments that can propel us towards financial success. It's important to note that attracting wealth through affirmations is not about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the reality you wish to create. It's about stepping into the role of a deliberate creator of your financial destiny. Number 3. Overcoming scarcity mentality. In pursuit of financial abundance, We often encounter scarcity mentality, and this mindset is rooted in fear and limitation. It can be a significant roadblock on our path to prosperity. It's essential to recognize and dismantle these limiting beliefs in order to make room for abundance to flow into our lives. Common limiting beliefs about money may include thoughts like, "I'm not worthy of wealth and success." "Money is hard to come by and even harder to keep." These beliefs are deeply rooted in our mind, and they are shaped by our past experiences, societal conditioning, and inherited beliefs. The good news is that they can be transformed with conscious effort and with the power of positive affirmations. Let's replace these limiting beliefs with affirmations that affirm our inherent worthiness of prosperity. First, I release all fears and doubts about money. By letting go of the fear associated with scarcity, we create space for abundance to enter our lives. Second, I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. By declaring our magnetic pull towards prosperity, we set in motion the process of attracting abundance. With these affirmations, we begin to witness a gradual shift in our beliefs and attitudes towards money. The once entrenched scarcity mentality begins to loosen its grip, making way for a mindset of abundance. It's important to approach this process with patience and compassion for oneself. Overcoming scarcity mentality is not an overnight transformation, but a journey of self-discovery and growth. With each repetition of these affirmations, you are rewiring your brain and creating new neural pathways that support a mindset of abundance. Number 4, affirmations for wealth-building habits. It's time to delve into the practical steps that will support our journey towards financial prosperity. Consider this. Every financial decision, no matter how small, is a building block in the construction of your financial future. From saving to investing and budgeting, each action contributes to the stability and growth of your wealth. Let's introduce affirmations that align with these wealth-building habits. First, saving. I am a disciplined saver, and my savings grow consistently. This affirmation reinforces the habit of saving and affirms your ability to do so diligently. I am building a secure financial foundation for myself and my loved ones. By linking your savings to a larger purpose, you infuse it with deeper meaning and motivation. Second, investing. I am a wise investor, making wise financial decisions. This affirmation instills confidence in your investment choices and encourages informed decision-making. Every investment I make brings me closer to financial freedom. By viewing investments as stepping stones towards your financial goals, you solidify your commitment to long-term wealth growth. Third, budgeting. I create and stick to a budget that aligns with my financial goals. This affirmation emphasizes your proactive approach to managing your finances and staying on track. I attract abundance through conscious and responsible financial choices. By associating abundance with conscious budgeting, you shift from a mindset of restriction to one of empowered decision-making. As you incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine, observe how they reinforce your commitment to these essential financial habits. They serve as reminders of your capability to shape your financial destiny and create a future of stability and growth. Remember, the power of affirmations lies not only in their words, but in the belief and intention behind them. Allow these affirmations to guide your financial decisions and watch as they pave the way for a future of financial prosperity. Number 5, affirmations for entrepreneur success. As we journey towards financial abundance, it's essential to recognize the unique challenges and opportunities that entrepreneurship presents. Entrepreneurship demands a blend of creativity, resilience, and strategic thinking. Affirmations can serve as a steadfast source of motivation and guidance. Let's introduce affirmations to entrepreneurial spirit. First, as an entrepreneur, I am a visionary and a problem solver. This affirmation emphasizes your innate ability to identify opportunities and find innovative solutions. Second, I attract the resources and partnerships needed for my entrepreneurial journey. By affirming your ability to attract the right support, you open the door to collaborations and resources that can elevate your business. Remember, entrepreneurship is a dynamic and ever-evolving journey. Affirmations provide you with a steady anchor amidst the turbulence, reminding you of your inherent capabilities and the vast potential that lies within your grasp. These affirmations observe how they shape your mindset and actions. Allow them to fuel your passion, creativity, and determination. Know that you have the power to not only navigate the entrepreneurial landscape, but to thrive and leave a lasting impact. Number 6, affirmations for financial freedom. Financial freedom is a life that is unburdened by financial worries. It grants you to make choices based on your passions, values, and aspirations. Financial freedom is not solely about amassing wealth. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and conscious financial stewardship. Affirmations play a crucial role in shaping this mindset. First, I am the architect of my financial destiny, and I am building a life of freedom. This affirmation reinforces your agency in shaping the course of your financial future. Second, I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace the limitless potential of abundance. By letting go of restrictive beliefs, you open yourself up to a world of limitless financial possibilities. With these affirmations, you'll begin to witness a transformation in your relationship with money. The pursuit of financial freedom becomes a purpose-driven journey, guided by your beliefs, intentions, and actions. Number 7, affirmations for philanthropy and giving back. As we journey towards financial abundance, it's essential to recognize the profound impact that generosity and philanthropy can have on our lives. Philanthropy is more than just monetary donations. It's a mindset of abundance that extends to our time, skills, and resources. Affirmations can be a powerful tool in nurturing this spirit. First, I am a channel of abundance, and I joyfully share my blessings with others. This affirmation affirms your role as a conduit for abundance, allowing it to flow through you to benefit others. Second, my acts of kindness and generosity create a positive ripple effect in the world. By recognizing the impact of your actions, you amplify the positive change you bring to others' lives. With these affirmations, you'll find that the act of giving becomes a natural and fulfilling expression of your abundance. It becomes a means of creating positive change not only in the lives of others, but in your own as well. Remember, as you give, you receive, and in abundance, we find true wealth. So in Journey of Life, over the video, we've explored the profound impact of affirmations on shifting your mindset, attracting opportunities, and building a foundation for financial freedom. But remember, this journey is uniquely yours, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Make your practice to suit your own preferences and needs. The key is to approach affirmations with sincerity, belief, and a genuine desire for positive change. As you move forward, trust in the power of affirmations to shape your financial reality. Embrace the abundance that surrounds you, and know that you have the tools and mindset to create a future filled with prosperity. May your path be filled with prosperity, joy, and the fulfillment of your deepest financial aspirations. Thank you, and stay blessed.